guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For everyone who's new to the channel, hi guys, my name is Trishna and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, travel. Basically, I try and incorporate everything on my channel. So last week I did a poll on my Instagram asking people to vote for two of the videos which I'm planning to record, and it was between L'Oreal and Miss Claire, and maximum votes came for Miss Claire. So as you've already read the title, this video is all about the Miss Claire lipsticks. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see how amazing are these lipsticks. So if I talk about the lipstick and how I got into it, few years ago when I actually started blogging and stuff, I was looking for nice lipsticks, and suddenly there was this trend that started with liquid lipsticks, and I was mesmerized by all the liquid lipsticks that were available in the market. But somehow all of them which I came across were expensive, like really expensive. One day I was just browsing, and then I found out this liquid matte. To be very honest, I was fascinated, mesmerized. I mean, I was like this little child who was like, oh, this is a liquid lipstick which turns matte. So I was very excited to try it out. And I guess this was one of the first shade that I bought. This is Miss Claire's Soft Matte Lip Cream. It reads that it's not lipstick nor is it a gloss. It's like nothing you have experienced before. It's lipstick cream that goes on silky but soft matte, and this is exactly how the lipstick is. This is in 07. When I bought this was for 150, and this is my second one. The first one also was 07, and I was somehow so inclined towards 07. This is like typical candy poppy pink, which looks amazing on all the Indian skin tones. So this was in 07, and I bought it for 150. Back then 150, I was like, 150 is absolutely nothing. So I will show you how it looks like. I hope the camera can pick it up. It's a very nice color, if the camera is picking it up. So this is like a single swipe. Because I'm out of the product now, I cannot do much of the second shade because I have to like literally go down in and search for product. So this is two swipes, like this color is post two swipes of this shade in 07, and I don't know how, I just can't tell you how beautiful this color looks on me. So this lipstick dries up really quickly, but because I have applied a Vaseline, it takes a little more time to dry up and then settle it. But yeah, it's coming off right now because, as I mentioned earlier, because I've applied a Vaseline, this is gonna come off. So we're gonna move to the next shade, which is in shade 37. If you guys are aware that I love red is the kind of color that I usually invest in. So we're gonna try the next shade, which is red in 37. So this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna swatch it for you on my hand. It's more of a tomato red, not red exactly. So now you see, this is the red that I usually wear. Now, to be very honest, I love these lipsticks. One of the major reason being the color payoff. Like, look at that shade. That shade looks just so amazing. It is extremely light on my lips. As I've mentioned before, it is silky soft and matte, and yeah, it comes off right now. As I said, it takes a little while to dry, but once it dries, you're good to go, and it's just amazing. So this is in 37. And also one more thing, that I have invested maximum of my lipsticks in red, because a girl cannot have enough of red lipsticks. So we are moving on to the next one, which is 01, which is very close. Actually, one of the things that I don't like about Miss Claire is their packaging. Like, it's very confusing to figure out if this is 37 or this is 01. because the reason being that they keep on changing their series number, and if you go to buy 07, there is a chance that they have changed the number to something else. So that is one drawback, is what I feel, that one of that drawbacks, that they keep changing series, so you tend to have a slight change in the color. So this is 37. When I went to buy 37, it was some other number. So now this is 01. So let's try 01 and see how different is it from this one. So this is how 01 looks like. I'm gonna swatch it right here. To be very honest, there is only slight difference in 37 and 01. I'm gonna swatch it on my lips as well. So this color is more of a coral, coral shades, which is bit a mixture of orange and red, but more on the orange side. So obviously there is a huge color difference, is what I feel. The previous one was darker and this one is more on the corally orangey side. I don't know if I'll be able to place a picture before and after, but I'll try and do that. Over here also there is quite difference. This, if you see right here, this one is more on the darker side and this is more of a corally tone. So this is how it looks like. Now I have some, it's not like that I use a lot of red lipstick, so there is always a confusion which one to go for. So yeah. And last but definitely not the least is this color, which is a new addition to the family. This one is the latest one, which I bought 15 days back. So this is the latest addition in the family, which is Miss Claire in shade 61, I'm assuming. Yeah. And this is the one I bought from Nykaa, and I was actually this was not a plan. I was actually planning to order NYX palette, and somehow I had to order this because it was fitting. It was not fitting in my budget of ordering things, so I didn't even open it. And I don't know. This is actually for $2.95 now. 4 years ago, the prices of this lipstick was $150, and now it is being sold at $2.95. It is a great progress. So I'm just gonna swatch it for you because it's a deep dark mauvey purple, whatever you call it. It's a very deep dark red. So yeah. Okay, it already has a heart. So this is how the color looks like. I'm gonna show it to you how it looks like on my lips. It's a beautiful deep red with purple undertones, just the way I like it. I guess I cannot stress this enough that these lipsticks are really underrated. I mean, if I have to talk about the pros and cons of the product, I will tell you, this is the 4 lipsticks that I have from Miss Claire. For people who don't know, this is the exact dupe of NYX lipsticks which are available in the market. NYX also has the range of soft matte lip creams, which is Miss Claire is exactly the dupe of NYX soft matte lip creams, but the only difference is the price. That's what I personally feel, but rest all is exactly the same. I guess probably there might be some ingredient difference, if I may say so, but otherwise I don't really think there is any difference at all. So if I talk about the packaging, I really love the packaging. The previous packaging had matte tops. Now that is no longer available. Now it is this soft and shiny top with a very sleek body and very shiny looking bottle. Previous bottles were less shinier, is what I feel. So this is the first version, and then this followed by the last one, which I ordered very recently. Also they have changed the wand color. Apart from that, it used to smell very buttery, very, those chocolate. I can't say chocolate actually, it's more like cocoa butter. If you have ever smelled cocoa butter, it smells exactly like that. I don't think they have changed the smell. I'm glad about that, at least, that they have not changed the smell. This one was for $150. This one I bought from Nykaa for $275. If I'm not wrong, even if you go to a normal store, which like a drugstore which sells Miss Claire, they will still give you for $250. In fact, there are a lot of stores in the market which actually bargain, so which is a very, very good thing. If I have to say that why Miss Claire, I guess the reason is affordability and availability. And not just this, there are so many shades in Miss Claire. So I'll list down the pros and cons in simple. So talking about the pros and cons of the product, first thing, affordability. Second thing, durability, like it goes on for longer hours. Third thing, wide range of colors. Fourth would be like it's available everywhere. So I guess it's a huge pro for me that it's available at every drugstore. Even certain small beauty stores, they also sell Miss Claire because it's just so widely popular is what I feel. And fifth will be the amazing smell. And for cons, I feel that having different numbers every single time I go to buy the product, if I'm going for maybe 0, 1 or 10 and then they change the packaging or change the color, it's very difficult for me to figure out which one is which. So I guess that's one big con for this product. I don't think apart from that I really feel there is any more cons, but yeah, I guess it's a huge big yes from my side. And I don't know why there is this mentality that everything that is affordable is cheap. That's not the case. This product, these lipsticks are really affordable, very price friendly, but still it's amazing. It does fab job. It is as good as NYX. So I guess you can give it a try and have it in your vanity if you're planning to buy. So yeah, that's all about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is little bit helpful if you're planning to buy either a NYX, either a Miss Claire. That's completely your call. These are my opinions and I really love Miss Claire. I'm not saying you to buy it. I'm just saying that these are affordable and these are fantastic. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to give a big fat thumbs up. And if you have yet not subscribed to my YouTube channel, somewhere right here you can go and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you are yet not following me on any of the social medias, link down below, please do that because following is absolutely free and I do a lot of stuff. Apart from that, if you have missed out on any of my previous videos, you can click right here. And please look forward to the next video, which will probably be on L'Oreal's Rogue collection. So yeah, please stay tuned for that. And till the time I come back, please do take care of yourself. Wash your hands, sanitize, wear the mask and go out. And please be safe. Miss me.